hindi pa makakapag-roll out ng fuel subsidy hanggat walang certification pa coming from the Department of Energy. And per the latest certification po na in-issue ng DOE noong February pa, so $60 per barrel po yung last certification, ma'am, no?
68.40.
68. Tapos current po, yung current estimates po ng per barrel, magkano po? 90.
Sa ngayon po, yung March 1 to 10, 97.87
So,
for 10 days.
Hindi pa po ba dapat mag-trigger na yan na maglabas na ng certification ng Department of Energy? Alam ko naman po, naintindihan ko na on a monthly average basis po yung basis natin para maglabas ng certification. Pero hindi pa po ba dapat maglabas na ang Department of Energy ng certification para makapag-roll out na ng fuel subsidy? Ang point ko po kasi, Mr. Chair, ngayon umaaray na yung mga driver natin driver ng jeep, tricycle, etc. Magkano, nandito rin po yung mga kasama natin sa Manibela, ang laki na po ng nababawas sa kita nila, lalo pa ngayon na sumisipa na yung presyo per litro ng produktong petrolyo ng 75 to 80, and we are expecting na sumipa pa yan in the coming days dahil nga nag-implement na ng staggered na price increase sa mga petroleum products. So, wala po bang mechanism ang Department of Energy to issue now? Kasi this is emergency ho to, crisis ho to, lalong-lalo na sa ating mga jeepney and other modes of transportation, yung mga driver po natin. Mr. Chair.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly answer the question.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. On the part of the Department of Energy, we will support whatever the partner agency, the DOTR, will request, considering with that we're just following up or monitoring the development in the international market. And as you have mentioned, Your Honor, na for March 1 to 10, 97, so we can issue the certification stating that's only for the 10 days period of trading in the international market. Though the instruction is given in the GAA po na talagang month kung ano po ang makakabuti sa mas nakararami sa support po ang Department of Energy.
So Mr. Chair, assuming that the DOTR requests na sabi based on the effect nito sa ating mga drivers, kahit nakasulat dito sa GAA natin, meron bang mechanism o meron bang way na makapag-issue na agad ng certification? Kasi based on the estimates ng gulo sa Middle East, diba, ina-expect natin 4 to 8 weeks na itatagal at least nitong gulo sa Middle East. So meron bang mechanism ang Department of Energy or DOTR para ma-issue na natin ngayon itong certification at makapag-roll out na ng fuel subsidy program?
Yes, who can answer it? Before you answer it, I'd like to acknowledge sana swertehin tayo ngayong araw from Swerte Party List, Congressman Arlene, and of course, good morning, and of course, our senior Vice Chair, Kong Raj, who will answer it, DOTR and DOE. Before you answer it, ako one comment lang, no? We can see naman that this war will not end in the next few days, diba? I don't think we have to be a genius rocket scientist na to figure out na tataas at tataas pa rin to So, I think we should start trying to think out of the box then. I know there's certain parameters, there's certain laws, but we have to consider what's happening right now. So, anyway, Yusek, go ahead.
Okay, Mr. Chair. Sa part po ng DOTR, we're doing all the preparations. Para po, as soon as we get the Department of Energy certification, ready na po tayo. So, immediately po, we have coordinated po with the other agencies under the project to do for example po with LTFRB, finalize yung kanilang listing. We also met with the DILG yesterday. Kausap din po natin ng DICT. So lahat po nung list ng mga beneficiaries, ready na po nila. Kinausap na rin po natin ang bangko kahapon. Ang Land Bank po, kamiting namin sila kahapon para po dun sa preparations din nung disbursement, no? Yung pong binanggit natin kanina. Ang pwede lang po siguro naming lahat po nung preparations, pati po yung requirement ng documentation sa DBM,